Y'all, we're gonna do a little chili cheese cheesesteak sandwiches, right? We're gonna use our Woodfire XL Grill, but this can be done on your regular wood fire. It's gonna be amazing, all right? Tons and tons of flavor. Now, this is actually something I saw like on Instagram or TikTok, I don't know, you get lost in all that crap. But I've made cheesesteaks on the Woodfire before. It's actually in my cookbook, or one of them. You know, I did 3 for the Woodfire. In fact, they're all linked down below if you want to check them out. But I saw them add a little chili and a little cheese whiz. So we're gonna do it that way. We got some Hormel chili, the best canned chili, I believe. Hormel chili, maybe because I grew up on it or whatever. No beans. I don't know if you got any of that. I don't know if it focused, but no beans. There we go. That way you know, no beans, okay? Beans do not belong in chili. I don't care what you say, all right? I don't care where you're from or what you say or why or whatever. I'm gonna die on that hill. And we got some cheese whiz, okay? We're going full on with cheese whiz. But don't you all fret, I also have some provolone over there. What we're going to do is get this meat griddling. We got the griddle plate for the XL, okay? So that's what we're using. We're using the griddle plate. If you do not have the griddle plate for your XL or for your regular wood fire, just do it on the grill grate. It ain't gonna hurt nothing, okay? But, you know, if you have the griddle plate, might as well use it. I'll have links down below to Ninja Kitchen if you want that griddle plate, because I got your back. All right, we're gonna set this thing up on the grill setting because that's what you use when you use the griddle plate. We're gonna use that Woodfire technology button. We're going to give it some smoke. All right, so we're gonna put the meat on the griddle plate and give it about 5 minutes of smoke before we touch it. Once we've gone through that 5 minutes or so, giving it some of that good smoke, then we'll start mixing it up, getting some veggies in there with it. You know, we got some onions, we got some peppers, okay? It's a little bit of some steps to impart some of that smoke flavor, but you know, we're using the wood fire here because we want some of that smoke flavor in the chili cheesesteaks, right? Hope you're with me so far. Let's go ahead and get this thing fired up. We're using Bear Mountain Pellets today, the Bold Barbecue Bear Mountain Pellets. I'll put a link down below to their website, non-affiliate, just, you know, if you want it. People always ask me what pellets I use in the wood fire. That's what I'm using right now. I've used others, but I don't overthink it. You know, you got some food safe pellets, you're probably good to go, okay? These are a bold barbecue flavor because I'm not gonna give it tons of time to get that smoke. So I want the bold smoky flavor in it as quick as possible. So that's why we're not using like the applewood or cherrywood, you know, the lighter blends, right? All right, kind of overtalked this one a little bit, but I wanted to get you where I am. So let's go ahead and get this thing fired up, start cooking on it. What do you say? Come on back. And we got the pellets in, got our griddle plate in there, right? Let's go ahead and turn it on. Hello, how you doing? It's gonna be on the grill set mode. Got grill on. We're gonna turn it up to medium because we don't need to blow it out. All right, time, I'm gonna go 20 minutes just so we have time to get through everything. Wood fire flavor button on. Hit start. Let it go through the ignition process, the warm up, and then we'll get our meat on there and start smoking it. All right, it's time to add the food. We smoke it. Let's get this meat on. We're gonna spread it out just so we can get enough, you know, smoke hitting it. Gonna give it a little squirt down with some olive oil. Give it some Caribeque for some flavor. Now let's shut it down and let it get a few minutes of smoke. While it's smoking, we're gonna put some oil down and we're gonna get some onions and peppers going. Okay. Oh, some dropped. Okay, get those smoking, sauteing, getting some flavor in there. We'll be ready for our sandwiches. The meat's gonna cook up pretty quick, smoke up pretty quick in there. All right, give it a couple minutes of smoke, we'll come on back. All right, guys, it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and get these flipped over, mixed around. The meat is fully cooked, okay? Just so thin, we're ready to roll. But I wanted to get it to smoke, so that's what we did. Get these onions and peppers mixed around too. Now we're making some without peppers and some with peppers and onions. So we're gonna see me split up the meat in here. All right, meat is all smoked up, smoked out. Blaze it. Let's start building these sandwiches. Okay, let's go ahead and get some of these meat chunks, slices, whatever you want to call them, mixed up with the onions and peppers over here. Get those flavors working, those working together. I'll let those flavors combine a little bit, then we'll finish up these sandwiches. Got 2 sandwiches over here with the provolone. These are the ones without the peppers and onions. and they're not gonna have the chili or the cheese because the people in the household that are eating these don't know all the flavor they're missing, okay? We'll let these steam a little bit, and then we'll take these off and we'll finish up these ones. Okay, y'all, time to add our good accoutrement to the chili cheese steaks. These are gonna be flavor bombs. Whoever thought of this, I wish I could find them, I'd tag them. There, good stuff. Let's get these, let's get the whiz on. Woo. You know that's just some natural goodness right there. Whoever said Cheese Whiz is fake, looks pretty dang real to me. Oh my goodness. I don't know, I was gonna put some provolone on, but I think we're just gonna go with this today. What do you say? Time to throw our rolls on there too, right? These are gonna be a mess and I love it, all right? We're gonna give it a couple minutes, shut down, steam up the buns a little bit, crisp up the meat, melt that cheese a little bit more. All right, let's go. So, do we need chili and cheese whiz in our cheesesteaks? Probably not, but I know it's gonna be damn tasty. All right, this could be a mess. I'm gonna make a mess, I know it, but that's okay. I'm gonna pull these things off. We'll get them ready to roll. I know it's going everywhere. All right, if you guys, I still have some provolone, but I think it was just a little bit of overkill with that much cheese going on there. So if you want provolone, throw it on there. If you don't, you don't. You don't want cheese whiz, put the provolone on. You don't want those cheeses, man, find whatever cheese you want. There are no rules. Just a guideline, guys. Hope you're enjoying it thus far. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff down below. All right, come on back. Time to get these things off. Let's go. Whoa, lose half of it. Perfect. These are gonna be messy. Just pulling them off. Guys, let me get this other one off and we'll talk about it. It's a beautiful mess right there, guys. Can't wait to get it. Cut it in half. Got my towel. We're ready to roll. Chili cheese steaks. Give them a try, y'all. What I tell y'all, that's a beautiful mess right there, baby. Seriously, guys, what's not to love? Tons and tons of flavors going on right there. Meat, chili without beans. Got that good old-fashioned cheese whiz on there. Peppers and onions, that good seasoning from Caribeque. All that good stuff all melts together. It's a wonderful, wonderful dish. Give it a try. I know it's a mess. I know there's no possible way I can make this thumbnail look good. The picture for the video, like no way. This is just an absolute mess, but it's my mess. Hopefully it's your mess someday. Comment down below. Tell me, would you try this? Because I think you should, and I think you'll like it. Listen, if y'all want to get one of these Woodfire grills, whether it's the XL or the regular or even the oven, links down below. Knives, cutting boards, merch, all that good stuff I use in my videos. Again, links are down below. If you'd like to become part of CJ's crew for real and become a show producer, like all these awesome people scrolling in front of me, people that know you don't put beans in chili. I'm just trying to start a fight in the comments. What do you say? Hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. Or hit the link down below to my Patreon. Again, there are 2 ways to join and become a producer. Check it out. Every little bit helps. It helps out your boy to keep making this awesome content for you guys, these messy sandwiches for you guys. All right, y'all. That's it. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.